Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we are going to be making the Travis Scott burger from McDonald's. So be a nice quick little cook, so throw some bacon on first and come in and check this stuff out and we'll get it started. Alright, so we got some ketchup and mustard. We got some thick cut applewood smoked bacon, some shredded lettuce, American cheese. Here's the patties. Got some diced up onion and pickles. And sesame seed bun, don't forget that. Alright, let's start off with this bacon. Get that cooking up. Got the griddle nice and hot, we're about 400. I have the left two burners on medium low. These are on medium high. Alright, let's let them go. Like that. And we'll bring you back when we're done cooking this because you've seen me cook bacon 1,000 times. So, all right, let's see how these how this bacon's looking. Let me just get rid of some of this grease. We got quite a abundance. There we go. It's cooking up nice. This the McDonald's website said that it's crispy bacon, so we'll cook it nice and crispy. That's how me and my wife like it anyways. So we're good on that front. So let's just get this stuff, this stuff's pretty much done. So I'm just gonna push that over here to the side. I turned these two burners off. So let's just clean this up a little bit, just push some of this grease and stuff off. We're gonna use some of that because ain't nothing wrong with a little bacon grease, right? All right. There we go. All right, let's get these patties going. We got the small one for my daughter. Put that one right there. Got the wife's and mine. All right. Get that out of here. Piece of parchment paper. We're gonna smash these. Alright. There we go. Now we're just going to let this stuff cook up. I already seasoned them. I seasoned them with onion powder, garlic powder, salt and pepper. And then I just threw them on here and we should be good to go. Just going to let these go for a hot second. And then alright, so we got the patties going. I'm going to throw my bun on. I like to toast my buns, throw a little butter on there, let that cook up. That'll be good. Let's give this bacon another flip here. Oh yeah, that's getting good. Alright, we'll just leave that alone. Alright, let's give these patties a look-see. Alright, that's nice. There we go. There we go. Alright. See how this bun's looking? That's cooking up good. Get it a little bit more. Let's throw some cheese on these patties. Like that. Alright, we got that. And that. Alright. Now we're good on that front. So let's just let this finish up and then we're going to put this thing together. Get a look-see on this bun. Oh yeah, see that's what I like. Oh yeah, that's looking real nice. Alright, bun is done, bacon is done. Got the fixings ready, so we're just waiting for this bad boy to heat up. And actually this one is done, so I'm going to get a couple of these off and bring it back. Alright, so everything's ready to go. I got my daughter here helping me out, so let's throw this patty. That is one hot patty right there. All right, so we got the bun, cheese, patty, cheese. Get some bacon on here. All right. There we go. That's nice and hot as well. All right, lettuce. Yep, that's it. Thank you. Alright, we got some shredded lettuce on here. All right, now we need the onion.
This is onion.
Yes, it is. All right, just put that in as much or as little as you would like. I like onion personally. So put that right there. Now I need the pickle. Need the pickle? No problem. All right, throw some pickle on there. All right, throw one right there in the middle. All right, now ketchup and mustard, or just ketchup. Yep. All right, mustard. All right. Go put a little bit of that on there. There we go. And that's our burger. Thank you, babe. Thanks for your help. All right, let's put this together. Now, come on in and check out what we made. All right, this looks really good. I normally don't put ketchup and mustard on my burgers, but this does look really good. Bottom's getting a little soggy, a lot of grease. All right, let's dive into that bite right there. Got everything. That is really good. That is really good. You got a nice crunchiness from them onions. I mean, that burger is really good, that patty. Ketchup and mustard, you get an aftertaste of that. That's nice and good. Creaminess from that cheese. Got a nice chunk of bacon in that one. That was good, nice and crunchy, sorry. And then pickles. That's a really good burger. I mean, any smash burger is going to be a good burger, right? So, appreciate you coming along. Caress that thumbs up button. Make it nice and blue. Oh, somebody's getting reckless out here. All right. Appreciate you coming along. Subscribe if you like what you're seeing, and we'll see you on the next one.